Dok, ang itim-itim ng kilikili ko, parang black forest. Almost everyday naririnig ko yung concern na yan. On topic natin today, ano ba mga procedures na pwede mong gawin? Doon muna tayo sa lasers. So basically, ina-offer namin sa clinic, Pico Laser. What is Pico Laser? Pico Laser targets the melanin pigments, yung mga pigments ilalim ng skin natin. Binawarak niya, binabasag niya. Pag nabasag yung pigments na yon, kukunin niya ng immune system mo. Pico Laser is quite effective and it's safe. Ang problem lang sa Pico Laser, some patients tend to do it very often, so dapat isi-space apart mo siya at least every month lang, no? Kasi pagka nasobrahan ng Pico Laser, pwede naman magkaroon tayo ng mga white spots, parang leopard. Ayaw din natin mangyari yun. But it's very effective. Para naman dun sa mga marami ring hair, sinasabay na namin yung whitening with the super hair removal. Pwede yan pagsabayin. It's the same laser para ma-target dalawang concern, yung hair and also yung pigmentation. Pangatlo is the chemical peel. Chemical peel is actually for me one of the most effective, but it's also one of the most risky, no? Kasi pwedeng masunog. Pag nasunog, edi itim lang. Before we used to do chemical peels, we stopped kasi nga merong iba nagkakaroon ng problems. But we have a new peel now. It's called the KBK Knee-Line Peel. It's very, very safe. It contains tranexamic acid, mandelic acid, konting-konting salicylic acid, and lactobionic acid. So itong mga acids na to, it's very safe even if marami sila. It doesn't cause burning. We love it for our patients. So we call it the intimate peel. So pwede rin siya sa kilikili, sa singit, and sa down there. Yan ang pinakabago namin procedure. Aside from that, of course, kailangan nyo rin magpahid ng mga whitening. Remember, synergism is key. So, dapat, aside from procedures na sessions, dapat meron din kayong pinapahid na lightening creams or serums everyday. Kung maitim yung kilikili mo and gusto mong paputiin, come visit us sa clinic for a consult so that we can discuss yung mga options na pwede mong gawin.